to me.
Here we are, guys. Look, we have the fire and ice. Now, you freaked out because you're like, it doesn't exist. And I'm like, yes, it does. And I got it online.
It literally just
dropped.
Just dropped.
This
like,
just dropped.
right
We
now.
got
Like,
our hot
just
little
dropped.
hands on this. So show them what it is. Get a little bit closer here.
Do I open that? Not yet.
Yeah, right here. Look at this
Little
beautiful
sneak.
hologram. Little sneak. Woo! I'm
Woo!
so excited. We see the top influencers on Instagram with this. It is the Fire and Ice, Fire Dragon versus Ice Dragon. So I'm excited to have
Look at
this.
this packaging.
Isn't it beautiful? Now
It's
give
like
it a little peek now.
Little holographic. Little...
We need to do looks in this. I think I need to be Fire Dragon at least once. Hey there, Francois. We see. Ooh, look, look, look. Get a close up. Get a close up. Look, 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 look.
Oh my god. Oh, so,
Look at
so
this.
many papers. So many
I
papers.
know.
Oh, it's velvet.
No, it's not velvet.
It's
No
velvet.
way. Is it really?
It's a
Is
velvet
it? You
feel.
want to touch it? You want to touch it?
Wow, look at
Oh.
the pigments.
Oh my God, look at this. Stop it. Are you kidding me? All of this, and do you know that this was like $49
That's
or
crazy.
$39?
Yeah,
So-
each thing is like what is it, $3.99?
Yes,
$4.99?
and look right here. You can see they actually have it imprinted. They have the
dragon
imprinted dragon right
Can you
in there.
see the imprinted
They
dragon?
really go above and beyond. Not only do I love this packaging, I love their product. Their pigment for Wet n Wild is phenomenal.
Mhm.
But no joke, my favorite halogram, what is it called? Shimmer right here is the one I already have, and it's also cruelty free. Look at this.
French. He's asking from where? Oh, from Wet n
Ooh,
Wild.
Oh, Wet n Wild. Yeah, that's
Wet
my
n Wild.
friend. We love you. She's in Dubai.
Oh,
She's in Dubai.
Hi from Miami.
Yes, I know. She needs to come visit again. Look how beautiful, right? We have to do a look with this,
We
don't you
have
think? I think we need to sit down and do a look, kind of like what Dragon did. And who else? What was their names again on Instagram?
I think his
on
name is
YouTube.
Gabby.
Yes. Oh yeah, Gabby. Look at this. We're gonna have to play with this.
Yeah.
So let's go. We have the two shimmers for the Fire Dragon, the bronzers. You're kidding me. And also transition, brow bone.
Like it tells you where the color goes.
Tells
Like,
you
if
where
you want to
it
follow
goes.
the rules.
And they're paying.
You can
We
be a
don't
rebel.
like to follow the rules.
You can be a rebel and just not. follow
Yes.
the rules.
Oh, she wishes she knew what she did from Miami on top of the hills. Mwah. She wishes she knew what to do with makeup. Well, you need to come to our event. Look at all this. I want to sit down and really enjoy this.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this. Look at this. The packaging is really good.
Yes,
Ah.
Wet n Wild stepping up their game. What?
Wet n Wild, right?
For
So
great pack-
this was sent to us, right? And we want to thank Wet n Wild.
Thank you, Wet n Wild.
Thank you, Wet n Wild. And who wants to see? Post below if you want to see us do a makeup look. We're gonna do
We
it.
should do a competition like a versus.
Don't you think?
What do
Don't
you
you
guys think? What do you guys
Yes,
think?
yes, yes. Let's do it. All right,
No
stay
competition?
tuned for more. Listen, we're gonna have by the way, drop your Instagram real quick.
Oh, guys, so it's MYIIMUA. Again, one more time. I know it's complicated, but it's okay. MYIIMUA.
Please. We love you, Francois. We love you. We love you. Stay gorgeous, everyone. Big things are happening. Let me drop this real quick. It's 3 words. Power Model Factory. Friday, September the 28th from 9 to 2. You don't want to miss it. We're going to have my friend here, our celebrity artist, Mai, doing the makeup, and 7 of her makeup artists. You do not want to miss it. Space is limited. I'm representing Taryn Shea, my best friend, and myself for the Power Up Club. So get your tickets, and we're going to celebrate her artistry and her students. And we're going to do this look for you in the future, guys, okay?
Ooh.
Oh, we love you. Mwah. All right. Anything else you want to say before we sign off?
No, I think
gonna
we're
do
good.
this.
I think
We're gonna
good.
do this. We're gonna do this next
We're just
time.
gonna sign up
We're
right
just
here with
gonna-
this.
Oh,
with this beautiful
stop
right here.
makeup. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.